I'm just a kid, achieving a goal, pursuing a passion, building a reputation for myself. Sometimes there are bumps in the road, or points that can change your life forever. For some, this is just a zero turn. For others, this could help them recoup a loss. For me, it opens my eyes to see that there still are good people in this world. I'm honored to have won a gift like this and excited to see what this mower has in future for me and my business. If it wasn't for Sean and Savannah of Spencer's Lawn Care, Nick Carlson of Dawson Manufacturing, Derek of Du Bois Landscaping, I don't know where I'd be today. This mower and many other small gifts and actions have changed how I see others, young and old, and myself. I appreciate each and every one of you for following along, and I challenge you to achieve your goals.
What's up, guys? Aiden here, Aiden Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm here with a special guest, Sean Spencer, and he gave me this mower.
Well, a lot of people gave you this mower.
Absolutely. I want to just say thank you. They brought it down here from East Canton, Ohio, and yeah, I appreciate it. I don't know what else to say, but yeah, I wanted to just say a big thank you to Toro and your dealer Schlabach for making this happen, as well as getting the maintenance done on it and everything. So I appreciate that. And anything to say?
Hey man, I just want to say, take it, grow whatever you're doing in your life. Whatever your goals are, use it to benefit you, your business, and just do good things with it, man. I think it's truly a blessing, and I think it went to the right person. There were so many people that were, that could use this mower, and we just couldn't decide, and we let the computer decide for us, and fate decide for us, and a lot of people helped out to make this happen for you, and truly, truly just an awesome gift.
Yeah, would you mind giving everybody a rundown on what mower this is?
Yeah, so this is the all-new 2020 Toro Titan. This motor is the 24.5 horsepower Toro engine. This is the 60-inch iron forged deck. This does have the My Ride on it, so you're gonna have a lot more comfortable ride. You can adjust it back here, Aiden, like I've already kind of explained to you. You can adjust it to your weight, to your setting, and what you like. Mm-hmm. This side over here, I'll show you a little bit better of the My Ride side. So when you get on it, basically it's just going to act as if it's a support.
Right,
it's
okay.
going to take care of your spine a little bit. Mm-hmm. And that's one of the biggest things was sitting down zero turns, is a lot of times you get bad problems with your back. Other than that, man, you got a heavy gauge, great fabricated deck, great engine. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's gonna do everything you need it to do and a lot more, and take your business to a lot further and higher level than what even you're at right now.
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate it. I have big plans for what we're gonna do with it, and yeah, that's really all I wanted to show everybody. I can show you a little bit more when I get home and think about what else I want to say. And
it's a lot to take in.
Yeah, and figure out what I want to do. But you guys will definitely be seeing content on this mower, as well as plenty of other stuff. So other than that, I just wanted to say a big thank you. And
hey man, congratulations.
Thank you, man.
So proud of you. Keep doing your thing.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. All right, guys, we'll catch you back at the house.
Well, guys, here she is, the 2020 Toro Titan. Guys, I can't be more happy to have won a gift like this. I'm just really, really happy. I'm absolutely blessed. So many people that came together for this. I heard, Sean and I were talking. Just had to give myself a minute to collect, really take in that I won this. This gift has been given to me. And once that comes full circle, you begin to really appreciate it. So I just wanted to say a big thank you to everyone that was involved in this. We got Sean and Savannah. We got Schlabach Engine. We got Nick Carlson with Dawson Manufacturing. We got a whole bunch of people that came together to put this gift together so that I can have it and show you guys what's new. So I'm not going to go ahead and do a walkthrough on it today because we did that with Sean and Savannah. Actually, Savannah was behind the camera, but that's okay. I want you guys to leave me a comment down below and
I want to know what you guys want to see on this mower. There's so much to see on this mower, especially with all of its features and stuff we could show. And I've really seen like review videos with this mower being really positive and doing really well. So I could always do a review video, but typically I'm not the review type. But if that's something you guys want to see, I'd be more than happy to do it. So I want to go ahead and hear what you have to say about this mower, what you'd like to see, and all its different type of features, and we'll absolutely go over that. But real quick, I'll just give you guys one more look at it. 60-inch cutting deck, 24.5 horsepower. My ride suspension cuts from 4.5 all the way down to 0.5 or 3/4, excuse me. And it's a pretty nice unit. It mows up to 8.5 miles an hour. Right now, I think it only has 4.5 hours on it, which you couldn't see because I didn't spin it all the way around. But really nice unit. The Titan plate is off the front of it, and there's a hitch. This is from Dawson Manufacturing right here. If there's a hitch on this mower, that means something else big is going to be coming into play in the future. And I'm sure you can already guess it, but it would hook right into this hitch like so. So if you can guess that, leave it down below. But anything else you guys would like to see on this unit, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to give you guys my opinion on everything on this unit. So if you guys have any other questions, please leave them in the box down below. Again, I appreciate everyone's support. With that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.